Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me, Zinat, why should we select you as an officer of the bank?
Okay. Sir, I'm more focused and determined. I can be adaptable because it is a पैन इंडिया जॉब. सो मुझे लगता है सर मैंने अपनी स्कूलिंग हाई स्कूल बोर्डिंग से की है. सो मुझे लगता है मैं अब ज़्यादा अडेप्टेबल हूँ और फोकस्ड हूँ और मेरा प्लस कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड है. सो मुझे लगता है मैं इससे ज़्यादा रिलेट कर सकती हूँ बैंकिंग से.
Good. Can you elaborate what are the main functions of commercial banks?
So main functions are the taking the deposits and lending the loans and giving priority to priority sectors like agriculture, women, self-help groups.
No, but it can be told differently. Accepting deposits, giving loans, also overdrafts, discounting bills of exchange, then investment of funds, and also doing agency functions, then miscellaneous functions. Can you tell me what are the agency functions banks are doing?
So by selling the insurance policies, bank
Ah,
activities.
that's what I had in mind. You told rightly. I'm very happy. Can you tell me what are the qualities of a good banker, Zenat?
So he should be a good listener as well a good leader. He should manage the all the circumstances in the office.
बस इतना हो जाएगा.
Sure.
I will ask our Nitya ji, Nitya Kalyani. Yeah.
Sir, he should maintain a good rapport with his colleagues.
Uh,
He should be understanding the customers well. He then he should do all the supervision task. He should be helpful to the colleagues' works.
okay, but you are telling nicely, but I'm not getting the point I want. Ankita,
Yes,
Ankita,
sir.
tell me
Yes,
one.
yes.
Don't repeat the points they have told. Tell me some.
Sir, can I tell one more point?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
He should increase the business of the bank.
Okay, that is right. But one more point, Ankita. It's a
Yes,
quality.
sir. So
What
for
I am telling you is a quality of a person. Yeah, Ankita.
sir, he should be very patient as
Okay,
to understand the customer's need,
correct.
and then along with that, he should be calm and composed as to in every situation he should understand what it is about and not get very agitated. Other than that, he should be very adaptive because there may be different departments that they can be posted in during their job. So he should be very adaptive and should be a fast learner as well because they have to work in all different sectors, and then they should have good
One more,
communication.
most important quality.
Sir, integrity, honesty.
Honesty.
Okay, okay, okay.
Zenat, Nitya, Ankita, Anshu. Honesty.
Okay, sir.
Sir, it is under
Yes,
you.
sir.
I know you are all telling, Are bhai, ये तो we know honesty is very important, but वो भी बताना है, and also knowledge of computer.
Okay, sir.
Knowledge of computer. Good, excellent. Now we should go to another person who is sitting below. Who is that? Anshu.
Yes, sir.
Anshu Agarwal, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Have you worked anywhere earlier?
No, sir.
When did you complete your degree?
Sir, 2019.
Acha. Why do you want this job?
Sir, banking is a fastest growing sector and इसमें career growth अच्छा है बैंक में and I'm from commerce background, so it is the perfect sector for me.
Good.
बैंक
Acha.
बैंकर का सोशल सोशल फैक्ट भी अच्छा है और आई वांट टू हेल्प द पीपल
Good.
in bank. We can directly help the people.
Very good. Have you heard of the concept priority sector?
Priority sector lending, PSL.
Huh. How much
Yes,
percentage
sir.
of total advances should go to PSL?
40%.
Correct. Can you name the different sectors? To which
ESL के लिए
to different sectors classified under priority sector.
सर फॉर एग्रीकल्चर,
Okay.
MSMEs, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स.
Ah, come on. Why are you
एग्रीकल्चर
why are you getting stuck up? This is a definite question. Whether they ask or not, you try to tell this is priority sector. That much it's very relevant for all of us. अरे भाई,
यस सर.
नित्या जी,
Yes, sir.
tell me what are the sectors coming under priority sector?
Sir, agriculture,
Ah,
18% should be lent, out of which 8% should be lent to small and marginal farmers.
okay.
MSME,
Ah,
exports,
ah. No. Nitya, you are telling exports. You are telling as
Okay.
if experts. EXPERTS. I am hearing like that. Tell
no, sir,
exports.
export.
Export.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir,
வாயை
exports.
திறந்து நல்லா எக்ஸ்போர்ட் அப்படி சொல்லணும்.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Acha, incidentally, Nitya is a Tamil Nadu girl. She is an engineer. Yeah, tell me. Yeah. Yeah, Nitya, you told agriculture, you also told MSME, you also
yes, sir.
told export.
Yes, sir.
Apra.
Sir, and housing,
Okay,
education,
okay, fine.
infrastructure.
Correct.
MSME.
MSME,
MSME,
she
that's
told
startups.
already. She told already.
सर रिन्यूएबल
The startups.
Startups, renewable energy,
Yeah,
then
renewable
small
energy.
loans like self-help group, etc.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, why are you struggling, Nitya? Tomorrow interview, correct?
13th, sir.
13. Sorry, 13. Tomorrow who has got interview? Nobody.
Sir, I.
Samvi.
Oh, Ankita.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Baba.
मेरी.
जीनत को भी 10 tomorrow है.
Yes, sir.
Oh God, very good. जीनत will be in which place interview के लिए?
Sir, Chandi.
चंडीगढ़. Good. चंडीगढ़ में कोई रिश्तेदार रहते हैं आपको?
नहीं sir.
होटल में जाएंगे अपने?
Sir, I will go same day only.
और
It is
straight going, attending, coming back.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, कितना दूर है?
Sir, it is 3 to 4 hours.
Oh, 3 to 4 hours. Good. Excellent. Who is your favorite hero? Zinat.
सर एज अ पर्टिकुलर सर कोई भी नहीं है. कभी किसी की मूवी अच्छी लगती है, कभी किसी की मूवी अच्छी लगती है.
अरे भाई, ऐसा बोलने से कैसे चलेगा? किस लड़का को मैरिज करेगा? तो ऐसा तो कोई नहीं है. किसी समय पर किसी लड़का ऐसा बोल सकता है? बोलो नहीं. You have to be specific for such question, because countering this, substantiating this is really difficult. Questions like this: who is your favorite hero? Who is your favorite role model? Who is your favorite god? ये सब आंसर क्वेश्चन के लिए it is better to mention some name. Zinat,
Yes, sir.
tell me.
Sir, it's Ranbir Kapoor.
अरे भाई, it is not as if tomorrow we are going to bring him and ask him to talk to you. ऐसा तो नहीं है. आप इतना क्यों डर रहे हैं? आप तो अकेले फटाफट बोल सकते हैं. अभी देखो, Anshu is going to tell very bravely. Anshu, who is your favorite hero?
सर माय फेवरेट इज शाहिद कपूर.
Shahid Kapoor. What is the famous movie in which he has done?
सर 2021 में तो कोई नहीं आई. पहले कबीर सिंह आई थी 2020 में.
अच्छा, good. What about Nitya ji? Surya?
Vijay, sir. Vijay.
Vijay's latest movie is Master.
Yes, sir.
That is the latest movie. Good. Very nice. Sorry, we got stuck up in what is that? Priority sector. So
Yes, sir.
that priority sector is over now. Now we will go into, who was telling? Anshu was telling. Anshu,
Yes.
please
Yes, sir.
tell me This Nitya madam doesn't know anything about RBI. Tell about RBI to her.
Sir, RBI stands for Reserve Bank of India. It is the central bank of India. It is the banker of banker to the government, and ये करेंसी इशूअर है, और बैंक्स को ऑल सारे बैंक्स को मेंटेन करता है, सारी मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी को होल्ड करता है.
At,
और
at what intervals monetary policy committees are held?
सर इट्स 3 months, after 3 months.
Nitya, you know about it? 2 months or 3 months?
Sir, 2 months once, it is bi-monthly, sir, but the minimum criteria is they have to meet at least 4 times a year.
But nowadays they are meeting every 2 months.
Yes, bi-monthly.
Bi-monthly. Good. Very good, Anshu. Anshu, you manage that question. Now, Anshu, tell me what is net banking?
नेट बैंकिंग सर, नेट के द बैंकिंग विच वी कैन थ्रू इंटरनेट, इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली जो बैंकिंग हम करते हैं वो नेट बैंकिंग.
What is RTGS? What is the advantage of RTGS?
RTGS is रियल टाइम ग्रॉस सेटलमेंट. इसमें इमीडिएट पेमेंट की फैसिलिटीज़ है, और अब नाउ इट इज़ 24/7 फ्रॉम 16 December 2020.
Did you take any training, any institute for this exam?
इंटरव्यू के लिए नो सर.
Interview nahi. I am talking about exam, written exam.
सर अभी नहीं ली, पहले ली थी.
Acha. Okay. Are you, what is your subject? Commerce.
कॉमर्स.
So not required. What is jewel loans and agricultural loans?
व्हाट सर?
Jewel loans and agricultural loans.
सर
Jewel loan का मतलब gold loan. See this
Gold.
this name also some people don't know. Some people call it jewel loan. Some people call it gold loan. What is gold loan?
सर गोल्ड लोन में हम गोल्ड को सिक्योरिटी में रख के लोन लेते हैं,
हाँ.
और एग्रीकल्चर्स लोन में एक क्रॉप के लिए
हाँ.
क्रॉप.
करेक्ट. अच्छा, एग्रीकल्चर में क्या क्या पर्पस के लिए लोन देता है?
सर एग्रीकल्चर्स में जैसे कि उनको क्रॉप के लिए पहले चाहिए होते हैं, जैसे बीज चाहिए होते हैं उन्हें, और फर्टिलाइजर्स वगैरह,
हाँ.
तो इनके लिए लेते हैं, और फिर वो एक क्रॉप सीजन के बाद उसको रीपेमेंट कर देते हैं लोन का.
Correct. That is Kisan credit card. But
Yes, sir.
in such questions, what you can say, money is given for development of land. Land को develop करने के लिए, also for irrigation purposes. कुछ drip irrigation लगाना इसके लिए भी देते हैं. इसका अलावा for purchase of tractor and other equipments.
Yes, sir.
Then for purchase, then KCC is given for short-term loans like purchase of seeds, fertilizers, manures, and then after the crop season, the money has to be repaid, and the KCC can be revived again and again. KCC is a concept, Kisan credit card, like our normal credit card. They, for agriculturists, need not go to the bank every year for asking for funds. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
You managed this question correctly. What is the IBPS score you are expecting?
Score sir 85 to 19.
Good. Best wishes. We will
Thank
move
you,
on.
sir.
We will move on to Ankita. Ankita ji, I am just asking one or two candidates questions asked in a previous interview.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. Are you married, Ankita?
No, sir, no.
What is your father?
Sir, my father is a professor.
अच्छा, कहाँ पर?
Yes. Sir, Bangalore.
बेंगलुरु में प्रोफेसर. In which subject?
Yes. Sir, aeronautical engineering.
ओरे बाबा, बहुत बड़ा सब्जेक्ट है.
Yes.
Aeronautical engineering. What is aeronautical engineering?
Sir, it is basically the study of aeronautical components like missiles.
1 minute.
Yes.
Yeah. हाँ, अच्छा अच्छा. Aeronautical engineering क्या है?
Yes, sir, about all the aeronautical components like missiles and missiles, rockets, planes, airplanes, and their mechanism.
Did you ask your daddy what is aeronautical engineering? No.
Sir, no, I have never asked. No.
Why? You don't consider him. पूछना है ना. Daddy,
Yes.
daddy. Aeronautical engineering is a well-known branch of engineering that attracts students with interest in airplanes and their mechanism. The primary job of an aeronautical engineer is to devise aircraft and propulsion systems, but with time the engineer is given many more responsibilities to carry out. So like that. Good. You
Yes.
told correctly only.
Yes.
No problem. Very happy. What is CASA?
Sir, current accounts and savings account.
Okay. What is a private bank, public sector bank?
Sir, private sector bank is when the government share in the bank is less than 50%, and a private sector, and a public sector bank is when the government share in the banking is over 50%, that is
Very
51%
good.
or more.
Excellent. See, one candidate only this many questions for interview. What is your name? Ankita. I am asking
Yes,
second
yes.
candidate interview also. Name the Lok
Okay.
Sabha speaker.
Sir, Mr. Om Birla.
Okay. Who was the previous speaker of Lok Sabha?
Sir, sir, I'm forgetting Meera.
Sir Sumitra Mahajan.
Sumitra Mahajan.
Meera.
Correct.
Okay.
What is NPA?
Sir, non-performing assets.
Okay. What is KYC
Yeah.
norms?
Sir, it is know your customer. Sir, it is when to make sure that the person is who he claims to be.
Okay. Good.
Sir, to prevent fraud and money laundering.
Which bank do you have an account?
Sir, State Bank of India.
Okay. Tell me what is Bitcoin?
Sir, Bitcoin is a type of cryptocurrency. It is a type of money which you cannot touch or feel, but it exists online.
What are the languages you know?
Sir, I know Hindi, English, Odia, and a little bit of Tamil.
Ah,
And I can,
how
yes,
come you
sir.
know Tamil?
Sir, because I lived in Chennai from class 6 to class 10.
Acha.
So, that is why.
What are the words you learnt in Tamil language?
Uh, Sir, the usually when people speak the day-to-day language that I can understand.
No, bataiye na. What are the words you know? Now you and Nitya Lakshmi
Yes, yes.
should talk in Tamil. Tamil. Nitya Lakshmi, please talk to Ankita in Tamil.
Sir
Yes,
Ah,
sir. Sir,
Ankita.
I can speak like Nitya Lakshmi, ni enna pandre.
ah,
हाँ
correct. நீ என்ன பண்ற?
இப்படி இருக்கு,
Ah,
இப்படி இருக்கு.
எப்படி இருக்கே? Correct. கேமனாச்சன். Ah, good.
Yes.
அப்புறம்
And
சாப்பிட்டாச்சா? தூங்கியாச்சா?
Saptacha, yes. Yes, sir.
Very
All
good.
that.
कैसा?
Yes,
Excellent.
yes.
No, not bad. Ankita pass.
Yes.
Ankita is given pass mark.
Yes.
Ankita, next question for you.
Yes.
What is capital market?
Sir, capital market is used for long-term borrowings, and over here, when the money is required for more number of days, people prefer the capital market.
Can you tell me the name of chairman of banks, women chairman? Because I was
Yes, sir.
asking always about governor and chief minister. Supposing they ask
Yes, sir.
about ministers, they can ask. They can also ask about chairman of banks, women chairman
Yes, sir.
of banks.
Yes. Yes, sir. So Mrs. Padmaja Chandru, she's Indian Bank. And other than that, sir, I don't remember anyone
I
else.
also don't remember. Anybody else knows any lady in a bank?
Sir, SBI Arundhati Bhattacharya,
She
someone.
was there long ago,
She is
not now.
yes.
Okay, sir.
Now it is Dilip Kumar Karra. After
Okay.
Arundhati, we had Rajneesh Kumar. Then another person. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
very good. You have done it very nicely. Will you be able to take up a job outside your home state, Ankita?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I can.
How will you manage in a new location?
Sir, actually, since my childhood, I have lived in a lot of different places. So I am very adaptable like that. So at first, I will try to learn the local language a little bit because that helps a lot if you learn the local language. And other than that, sir, rest I can manage.
Which South Indian dish you like very much?
Sir, I like dosa.
Dosha. Good.
Yeah.
That's what
Yes.
all North Indians like. Very good. Thank you. You
Mhm.
did well.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Now we will come to next candidate, our Nitya ji. I think you are only,
Yes, sir.
you are only left out. I will finish it off.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is repo rate?
Sir, it is for, like, you're asking definition or rate, sir, I'm sorry.
Definition.
The rate at which RBI, the interest rate at which RBI gives short-term loans to commercial bank.
What is the percent rate?
Sir, it is 4%.
Okay. Good. What is CRR?
Sir, CRR is cash reserve ratio, a reserve which is required by the commercial bank to maintain with RBI.
Okay.
A percentage of.
This question has been asked to an agricultural graduate. What is IRRI? What is IRRI? IRRI. This will not be asked to you certainly. International Rice Research Institute.
Okay, sir.
International Rice Research Institute. It will not come for you. Very good.
Okay, sir.
What is the role of NABARD?
Sir, the role of NABARD is to monitor our regional rural banks, regulate them, and provide refinance if they fall short of capital.
What is the problem that Chennai city faces
Currently, or
currently only?
sir, high traffic congestion, and though means of public transport is higher, like metro and all came, there is still so much of traffic, and roads are not proper in many places. There is no path for pedestrians and all.
What is the important festival to come in the next month?
Sir, maybe election, sir.
Correct. Which date is the elections?
April 6.
Very good. Have you ever excised your franchise?
Yes, sir, twice before.
Twice. You have done it. That means, yeah, very good, very good. So you told these questions, this question and all. Tell me about the previous chief minister, Jayalalitha.
Sir, she belongs to AIADMK party, Anith India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. She was called as Iron Lady. and she manages all the problems very well. She served as Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu many times, and that's it.
That's all. You must tell, you must speak something good about her, like say she introduced lot of welfare schemes for women.
Amma Unavagam.
Ah,
She introduced Amma Unavagam, where poor people can get nutritious food at affordable rate.
like that you must tell. Tell about the new. She brought lot of schemes for say Tangat Thali Tittam, something like that. So many schemes she brought for um, women who were getting married to celebrate their marriage. She was giving some money for needy people.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Supposing you are made Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Nitya Lakshmi,
Sir,
what will you do as the first thing?
sir.
Now this they will not ask, just I am asking for fun.
Sir, I really don't want to enter into politics, sir.
You are not interested in politics?
Not, sir. Even if we want to be honest, the people around us will not let us to do, sir.
Oh, so you want to be honest? What is the advantage of being honest?
Sir, more disadvantages are there rather being like advantage, sir.
No, no. But then
Sir, you,
why are you being honest? You become dishonest.
sir, that is not my character, sir. Basically,
Oh, no, but actually, in questions like this, do not get trapped in an interview, and you must
Okay, sir.
always maintain yourself in an honesty, as if you are supporting honesty, integrity, truth.
That's why, sir. I don't even want to move to that side. Where I cannot maintain my honesty, I really don't want to enter there.
Exactly. Good. Excellent. Who is your? You told heroine. Who is your favorite heroine nowadays?
No, sir. No favorite heroine and all. I'll watch everyone, sir. No particular heroine who is a favorite for me.
Anyhow, nice. Thank you so much. I think we have been
Thank you,
having
sir.
nice time for the last 1 hour and all. Any questions you want to ask, you ask. Tomorrow, Ankita is going for interview. Zenith is going for interview tomorrow. So, Nitya, you ask one question to Zenith. Anshu, you ask one question to Ankita. Easy question. Let her go with happy feeling. Come on. First, Nitya.
Okay, sir.
Nitya, first to Zenith.
Sir, I mean, Zenith, what is SLR?
It stands for statutory liquid ratio, in which banks have to maintain a certain portion of their deposits with themselves. It involves cash, gold,
And
so that
Okay.
they,
government securities also.
and government securities, so that they can meet the future difficulties.
Very good. Now, Anshu,
Yes, sir.
put question to Ankita Dash.
What is negotiable instrument?
Super.
Negotiable instruments are things like treasury bills, promissory notes, and bill of exchange. That is between a issuer and an investor.
It is transferable by endorsement and delivery, or by
Yes.
delivery where it is a bearer instrument. You can take the famous example of check and the bill of
Check.
exchange.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes. Yes.
whatever you said is also negotiable only. I read in some book that documents like warehouse receipts, railway receipts, lorry bills, they are also negotiable instruments. So,
Sir,
but yeah,
in simple, we can say it is a document which contains a promise to pay something at a specified date.
everything is specific.
Okay,
A
sir.
check is a negotiable instrument in writing containing a specific order directing a certain person to pay a certain sum of money only to or to the order of a certain person. Everything specific. Supposing you make a check, pay A or B, that is not check, valid check. You have to say pay A or pay B. Supposing you make pay Nitya Lakshmi provided she joins State Bank of India, that is also not a check. समझ गया? So this is how
Yes,
you
sir.
have to look at it. Very nice. So we have discussed very well. Ankita, tomorrow after the interview is over, please send the list
Yes,
of
sir.
questions. So far, no boy or
Okay.
girl has sent the question. Probably
Sir,
Ravan.
one question is repeated in the interview, sir. Mass banking. They are asking about mass banking, sir.
Acha?
Yes, sir.
Did you come across some questions asked yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Acha, why don't you tell that? Please tell.
Yeah, 1 minute, sir. Sir, yeah, the mass banking question was asked repeatedly, it seems.
Okay.
And 1 minute, sir. I have taken it. One
Please,
second.
please,
I will
please
tell.
tell me. Hello, all of
Sir,
you.
what are fund and non-fund of bank?
One నిమిషం. What is funded and non-funded?
Fund and non-fund of banks.
Fund and non-fund of banks. Okay, that is income. Okay.
Then bank initiatives for export.
Bank initiatives for exports. Okay.
Then the same question, sir. How many times per year monetary policy they are meeting like that? And the difference between NFC and RFID.
NFC and
RFID.
what is RFID?
Radio, that FASTag is there, sir. Radio frequency identification.
Oh. NFC means
Near field communication, contactless cards, debit cards,
okay,
that
okay.
technology.
Okay. Bro.
Then normal DICGC limit they have asked.
Okay.
Then about politics, sir, Rajya Sabha chairman, finance minister of Tamil Nadu, like that they have asked. Then how will you manage NPS if you are posted as PO, like that? Situational questions were asked.
Now 1 minute. How will you manage?
Manage NPS, yes, sir.
if you are posted as manager?
Yes, sir.
Bro.
Difference between SURFACE Act and DRT.
Super.
And ODக்கு என்ன இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ரேட்னு கேட்டிருந்தாங்க.
Overdraft interest rate. Okay.
Then random questions, Tamil Nadu வந்து it is well developed or developing state, like that. அவங்க ஸ்டேட் பத்தி they should know, like that. அந்த மாதிரி. And RuPay card advantage and disadvantages.
Oh. Good. Bro.
Private banks, privatization ஓட advantages and disadvantages. அவ்வளோதான் சார். இது
That's all.
additional questions கேட்டிருந்தாங்க.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Dalalama, you are very great, I tell you, Nitya. You have been able to get lot of questions like this.